Ooh, all right. Let me. You hearing background noise?
No.
Okay, cool.
You adjust your gain so the things are correct on the YouTube.
I think so. I'm gonna check that right now on the live. Mute me in here. Mute me in here. Mute me in here. Mute me in here. All right, seems okay. Seems fine. Mute me in here. Mute me in here. Seems fine to me.
Okay, that's good.
All right. Um, time is it? Let me take a
Oh, we got
take a
10
quick
minutes.
break, and I'll be right back.
No rush. Won't be doing anything till after the open. Not doing anything till after the open. Yeah. Step away a second for the open. Be right back.
What'd I miss? What did I miss? All right, open. All right, so what I did notice. Okay. Let's get ready for an open.
Minute and a half.
Minute and a half.
Looks like I pull back, look for some longs. That sound about right?
All right. Sorry about that.
It's all right.
Are we open for business yet? 20
15
seconds.
15 seconds.
Let's do it. Let's see what we got here.
That's looks like a pump, maybe or
A
looks like
dump
a
and a pump.
dump. The pump, yeah, dump and pump.
Pump and dump.
Pull
Dump
back
and
to
pump.
go long.
It's a good level coming down here, so we're
Yeah, it's a big
decent little
level. I mean, yes, for sure. All right, here we
Okay, a
go.
little dump. Might get a buy signal here out of this. Looks like the NQ's trying to get a buy signal.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
And down I go. Look at that.
There we go. Man. All right. Oh, all of a sudden, it rose all night long. And I mean, like, we got new highs. They're like, no, we were wrong. Let's take it back down.
Let's just dump it.
Yeah, like, we just, never mind. We don't need to go all time highs. Like, that's the stuff that doesn't make any sense to me. But, I mean, it does make sense in the sense that, like, you know they're going to take it to a level to collect contracts. And down here somewhere is probably not a bad area. Looking at the larger tick chart, sitting on top of it right now. Yeah, I have a level here, so let's see what happens right here.
VWAP, see what it does here.
This is a bigger level too, so okay, well if it just fall, let's see, maybe it'll pause right here is where it needs to turn. And try to buy one maybe?
Yes, I'm right. If it comes back above VWAP, I'd probably jump
Here,
in.
look, yeah, let's put one
Literally
that,
right
like,
above it there.
yeah, I could.
Oh, it's gonna keep going.
Never mind.
Yeah,
I would
gonna
just get
keep
in
going.
above that candle if it. Oh,
There we
okay. Well, screw
short this
this.
damn thing now.
Let's just sit here and watch. Screw that, man.
Here it is. It's
All right,
gonna
let's see
turn.
here we go. Let's see. Let's put it. I'm gonna do the just the NQ 2 contracts. I'm not gonna go heavy on this, and I'll put a bicep above this candle wick right here, because there's a little structure forming on the lower tick chart. A little W there.
Yeah, I'm gonna set mine right at just a VWAP. Gets above that, I think we're good. That little, what is that? 26 and a quarter.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go too heavy. I'm kind of afraid of this market. I might do
That's why I'm gonna wait a little bit, let it come a little higher.
6 MES here above
20,
this structure.
26 and a quarter. I don't know what you
I'd have
got.
to
2016. Oh, you're below it. Okay.
Yeah, no, I'm looking at that right there.
I can get
The
it a
structure that
little later than you just to be safe, I think.
Well, I mean, it's just a nice little structure. So, I'm trying to decide if I want to do the ES and 6 contracts or not.
Okay, now it's starting to set up cleaner.
Yeah, I think this is gonna be a good trade.
I'll come down there now.
Oh, there it goes. It put me in.
There it goes. Stop's got to be here.
Stop's got to be there. Let's see.
Got to be.
On paper, this is supposed to be a good setup, so there's nothing we can do about it.
Again, why? I think I've been
I
better
don't
off.
like this.
Yeah.
I don't like it a lot, man. I don't like it at all. I'm not a fan.
Stop's gonna get us. Boom,
Yeah,
got
that's
us.
it. Let's close this.
Got us.
Ugh, that's painful. All right, well, that was $120. Well, let's sit on the sidelines for a little bit now. Hold on a minute.
This might be a short to pivot on NQ. Oh, maybe not.
All right, then slow it down and turn it around and start thinking. This is a rough one. Let's see here. I mean, again, we still got to be thinking buy in a bigger grand scheme of things. We're really kind of neutral here on the bigger tick charts, but smaller tick charts are turning over to the downside. Damn. The one good setup here should have been a good long, right?
Right.
I can't be upset on the loss there because that's a legit long. And from a level, I mean, everything lines up on that. I mean, that's my loser today, I guess. Now I'm going to be a little bit cautious because they drove it down, and I'm pretty sure we're still right. I'm thinking long here, but just look at this other tick chart here. Got a big time level there. That's my thing, man. Take a loss, sit back, stop trading, do some
analysis. Yeah.
Yeah, because this.
I mean, at this point,
I hate taking those losses like that. Those are good setups and should not be.
I think in hindsight, I think what I said probably would have been just a tad bit. Let it get above, because you had the 89 there. You had VWAP there.
I agree with you on that.
Maybe got in just a tad too early on that one.
Totally agree with you on that one. But also, you were right too, and we should have just shorted it while it was running down and left it alone. And that's what
we still might have. If this fails here,
I don't think we can short it now.
I'm gonna say if this fails here, I think it's going to the pivot on MQ. So
and it probably go to the pivot on the ES if it fails.
On ES too, yeah.
You know, but we're looking at pretty much the same beast here. We're not yet down. It's not like a down market by any means overall. I mean, it's down right now, but if we really want to look at this objectively, this is a big ass neutral market.
No, there's your long.
Yeah.
There's your long.
All right.
Let's see if it holds.
Just trying to get a bias here. No, yeah, we should have shorted that in a moment. That's on me. My bad, dude. Sorry about that. Now that I look back at it and start thinking through this level was pretty big this morning and it broke, so we should have shorted below that. That was dumb. But you know what? I might be able to get on board with you if this does fail. We can get down to the pivot.
I think so.
And try it with like 2 contracts maybe.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Now. Let's see. Took a loser. I'm gonna have to start working on the dynamic sizing methodology. If you guys haven't heard about it, we're using variable risk progression to create positive expectancy with a dynamic sizing methodology. That's what we're doing.
Woo.
You guys heard of that before? It's really cool.
That's pretty damn complicated right there.
It's cool, man. That's what all the cool kids do.
What all the cool kids are doing.
That's what all the cool kids do, man. That's what all the cool kids doing. Trying to get down to the pivot. Not gonna do it.
A lot of big words, Dan said. Pretty big, pretty complicated stuff. Got to make our methodology sound complicated and
Sound cool, man.
sophisticated.
Gotta sound cool, dude.
Because it's just too damn
We
easy.
can't just say that we're just scaling into MES and
Right.
making money every day.
People will be like, well, that's just too easy.
We're just scaling into MES.
Come
That's all I'm
on.
doing, bro.
Come on.
All right, target off. I got in that time.
Yeah, I've been in since that first break up there. I'm just trying to get into the
Got
pivot.
in this time. I didn't want people seeing this stupid trade, but I got in. I'm gonna lock in a couple ticks of profit here, but
See if I can get a little bit of that loss back. It's my
same.
pivot. I get all my loss back.
Come on, pivot. Let's go pivot. Come on, pivot. Pivot.
There it is.
Ooh, it just
Oh,
nicked me.
there it
Get out
is.
there.
Woo. All right, got my money back.
Target. There we go.
Got my money back.
Got some of the junk back.
Wow.
Let's keep working on that.
This is done.
This is dumping.
toast.
I mean, yeah. Let's see where we're gonna go down to. I mean, now we gotta get down to Globex low, I guess, huh?
Looks that way.
If it breaks Globex low, shit, we're selling everything, I guess. Well, yes, got a ways to go get below Globex. Very confusing market, but well, you know. Here's what we do know on the ride down. If you look at this, we do know that the levels that we picked out this morning are pretty spot on the ride down because price pause every time at a level. This one might be slightly off since price is pausing a little
Holding the
bit. Holding
pivot here.
So look at the NQ pause right at the levels that we picked this morning. Exactly, I'm gonna be honest with you. So here's what I do know is I do know that if we stay down here, the big tick charts just rolled over to the short side. So I think we can take a buy, but I'm gonna start shorting rallies. I'm gonna start scaling in on this account. Let's see which I think this is account. That account. So I'll start putting like I'd like to get up here around here to start shorting it, like 54. Did I say 54?
Got some wicks forming here.
I'm at
It's
84.
holding pivot.
Somewhere around 84. I'd love to get a contract. Something like that. So I'll start selling up there. But we can take this long if you want to.
Yeah, I like the wicks and forming on the bigger chart. I think I'm
Oh
gonna,
shoot.
yeah, I'm in.
Yeah, it put me in. Had to take that one. I was a little late on it, but
There
let's
you go,
see.
target
What I
off.
do it on the ES? It just one tick me, bro.
One wick, one tick you.
One tick and mofo.
One tick you.
Do we do this on the ES too? Looks like a decent long, doesn't it? It's supposed to be
There
a
you
long.
go. You should have got
Get
your
it back
long
up
off
this
now,
level.
right?
There's my
There
target.
we
Yeah.
go.
Go,
Let's see if
baby.
this thing will, see if this is the, did we hit the bottom? Did we catch it?
Hey, man, if we, I'd be happy
Did
with
we
that.
catch the falling knife?
Yeah,
Go,
if that's
baby.
bottom, I'm cool with it. I'll take it.
No,
Flat.
doesn't look
Flat's
like it
key.
wants to. I'm not flat. I'm left my target back a little bit, see if it'll go. There it
Oh,
goes.
really?
Go. Go,
I should
baby.
have left mine
Come on.
back a little bit. Well, damn.
Yeah, that's what I meant to tell you that the other day. I'm not so quick to move my target when I'm doing micros because
Stop.
it's not that big a risk. Yeah, I usually leave it back like this. I was holding because I thought,
Son of a gun.
it held that pivot 3 times. I said, okay, this might be. I could be wrong, but might be the bottom. If I'm lucky and caught the bottom, yay.
That'd be cool.
Push, push, my gush. Let's go. Back up to VWAP at least. Come on. Something nice like that. That'd be a nice trade. Couple $100 micro trade. I'll take it.
No kidding, right?
All right. See, got that loss back, no problem. One loser and two winners. Not a problemo. There it goes. Come on, give me at least up to this
All right, I
previous
got back in on that little
right here, right?
that little thing there. Yeah. I'm
All
gonna
right, I
shoot
don't
for
want to
VWAP
give
with you, or at least up here.
80 bucks. Come on, 90 bucks, $100. Keep going, push. Hey,
91.
there we go. Up there's a
Trying to
hundred
get to
dollar
that.
micro. Come
There
on.
you go. Nice. Uh
Ah,
oh.
I'm not taking them
Uh
out. I'm out.
oh.
I'm not giving it back. I'm out.
That's
All right.
that's a function of the level there, man. That's why we target out the
From
levels. Still going back up, isn't it?
Yeah, I should have held it, but that's okay. I'll lock in my $100. Yeah, this is gonna go. Oh well. The hell are they doing
Gonna
out
do
there?
it again.
Construction?
All the way back up. That's, I guess you're right. Dumped and pumped this morning.
Yep, dumped and pumped.
Dumpy pumpy. I mean, if this goes all the way back up, that'd be super cool. Should just jump right back in on this count as soon as it took my freaking stop.
Yeah, I could have hit the buy button again. I should have just left my stop back, but I didn't want to give
Yeah.
it back. That's a big dump, man. Whew.
Yeah, from
Is
7
that
to
540 to
7.
300, almost a 300-point move down?
40 point move on the ES, so yeah,
Yeah,
pretty
that's
big
no
move.
joke.
Yeah, we could that would have
Now,
been
there's
nice to sell
there's your
that one.
sell. Came right off
Yeah.
this previous swing right there, and
Yep. All
see what it
right,
does here at
eyes
the
on the
pivot.
huh?
See what it does here at the pivot, right? Back down to the pivot. That was your
Well,
short.
um, Again, I go back and look back in time. Let's call it somewhere between yesterday and dumped big time after 4 o'clock yesterday, huh?
Oh yeah. Well, all those companies reported.
That's true. Still trying to work on a bias here, bro.
I don't know that I have a bias. I'm just
I
trading what I
know.
see right
I
now.
know. That's what I'm trying to do too.
I'm just trying to trade these swings because I don't think there really is a bias. Look at that. You're gonna
Well,
what? Look at that. I mean, that's.
it's a buy signal. I mean, yeah. So I mean,
Are you getting buy signals, sell signals?
at the
And look at the last what since right. I mean,
the
I don't know. I
overall bigger
guess you could
trend is
say it's
up,
up,
but
up.
uh,
It's
I
up.
want trying to think about buying this, but mixed signals here, huh?
And you got a higher low if you want to take it on the bigger. I mean, the
Let's,
overall is up,
yeah,
but it doesn't mean it can't come down 100 points before it bounces back up.
right. I mean, technically, it could go down
Yeah.
another 40 points
30, 40 points
on the
before it
ES,
turns.
and
Yeah.
yeah, and then on the NQ.
Got some room.
Let's see here. Yeah, you could get back down to here, back down
Yeah.
to
Which is, what is that, 200 points? Yeah.
140,
Yeah. 200 points.
200 more points. Oh God, that's a tough one. Um, I'll look for trades. While I'm thinking through this, look for some trades for us.
Okay.
Uh, Shit, this is a hard bias to call, bro.
I mean, we could just keep scalping these ups and downs because they're like right now, you're getting a buy
Yeah,
signal.
I mean, yeah,
You're getting a buy
yeah,
signal
mm-hmm,
on the NQ.
yeah. Um,
There you go.
it is. I mean,
Target off. I mean, how far to go? I don't know, but
but
yeah,
you
there you
get a
go.
target
Came
on it.
back and take me out. That's what I'm saying. I mean, it's just gonna be one of those days where you just
It'll tip his hand soon enough. I'll get in some. I'll figure this out. I think. I mean, again, we could. So here's all right. Now I got it. Here we go. Just took me a little bit. So look at all this crap back here. All this stuff back here. All this stuff back here. All this stuff back here. I These kinds of swings don't last that long these days. I mean, you get them beginning of the day or end of the day, right? Usually.
right.
Very seldom we're getting them in the middle of the day these days or middle of the morning. So, after that initial run, we've been settling into chop, right? So, why would this be any different? We just got to pick a direction that we think the chop's going to be going in and just have a set risk. And I'll start with one account. I'll start with this account. And then, what do our rules say? What direction? 89? Sideways. Are we above or below VWAP? We're below VWAP, so I guess we pick the short side. Now, the only reason I'm really comfortable with that, too, again, looking back at this chart, picking the short side of things here is that a lot of headwind above us. Lots of headwind above us. I mean, like, all-time highs, this chop prior to all-time highs. When it got to the new all-time high, here's the other thing I'm looking at, too, that I just thought through, is that same thing for the NQ on the bigger tick chart, except for it made an all-time high. But again, going back up here and trying this again, and it could make a new all-time high earlier this morning, right? So we got to think shorts in, right?
Yeah.
that's the best analysis I can give you on this. Where's my VWAP on this? Why is VWAP not on that? All
Oh,
right, that's it. So we're kind of in the middle here. This is what I mean. We got room to go on the downside. We got room to go. All right, so let's go. Let's go with one. I'd like to get back here. So let's do one. I want to do one at 74. That's originally where I wanted one anyway. Or just one now. Shit. No, 70, 75, 74, 75. So let's go 74.
oh, I am short GC, by the way, on the break of the.
One.
I'm short one.
Oh, that's 6. Nope, one. One, dummies. One. Jeez. One at 74. One at 74. And then we'll get another one up at 84. Which is originally where I wanted to get it at. Oh shit, I should have left that contract on at 84. It would have nailed it to the T.
Yeah.
Something like that. Or just get one in now because NQ's tanking.
Go short
GC.
here.
Oh shit, man! Call that trade out to me because I was looking at it
short.
this morning.
Yeah, I'm up over $100 already on the GC trade
Well,
on the
tell
break
me
of that.
next time, please.
Well, we were talking yesterday about not getting. I didn't say anything because since we're focusing on these two markets, right?
Well, tell me though. Come on, man.
Okay. Well, I thought you were. I thought you marked it out. I'm telling you, man.
I did
have
look this
not had
morning.
a
I'm just
losing
not
day.
used to. I'm not used to trading it. So I looked at it. I was like, oh, this will be a juicy trade.
I'm holding
Didn't
for
look back at
VWAP.
it.
If I get VWAP, that's a hell of a trade. That's a almost $300 trade profit.
Yell at me next time you take
One micro.
one. All right,
I mean,
got a micro
at this
and
point, I
short
could
on
lose
the NQ.
a
Now
bunch
we
of
gotta
them
go
and
down
not
to the
worry.
next level. 220. I got short on the NQ here. MNQ.
Yeah, so did I on the break of that
The
level.
break of this. Yeah, the break of the level.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll get down to.
So we're not done. This
going
thing
down
could
to-
go.
I gotta sell this. I'm just gonna get one in. This thing's dumping. It's below all my levels now.
Yep. You can still get in this, I think.
I'm gonna try to do it with another account, maybe. Squeeze my stop down some. If it takes me flat, oh well. But I don't think this is done. I'm gonna do a different account though.
There it goes. Look at this thing go.
Not done. Not done. Not done at all. We got a little bit of support here on the pivot for the ES. I don't know where this is coming from on the NQ.
S1? Come on. All the way down to S1.
Yesterday,
Give me some room.
So, all right, I'm gonna sell a rally. How about that? Let's play a game. Sell a rally. Sell a rally, any rally. Bottom. I'm kicking myself. We should have just jumped on that short bandwagon as soon as this thing started selling off. As soon as it broke that level right there on the ES.
We know better too.
Well, it came back and retested that level. I mean, and then failed there. That's the level I was looking at from this morning, right? So this level around 84, I literally just put a line there when I was like, this is a strong level. And as soon as it broke that and came back and retested, failed, we should have jumped in everything short, every single thing on the planet. We should have thrown everything in the shorts on that. That's on me. I didn't get that in my brain until after the fact, and that's dumb. Because I originally, if you remember, I originally had a order sitting there saying, "Hey, this is where I want to get in at." Stupid. Okay, 2 days in a row, Brian. When you have a plan, stick to it. Jack wagon, jack leg,
Rat bag.
rat bag. All right. Well, if this fails here, we're going down to the next level, people.
Oh, I am short. I'm holding for S1, baby. Go. Look at that. Money, money, money.
For what? S what?
I'm holding for down seven. What was it? 149 area. Whatever it was you said earlier, it could come down to. Whatever that number was.
Right around 144.
Yeah, well, that's where it's
I
going,
don't know
and
what
I'm
this
holding
is.
this sucker. There's a cha-ching.
I don't know why I have a blue line in my hands.
Straight cha-ching on this one. Come on, hit my VWAP on gold. I think I'm going to be done. It'll be one of those mornings.
Well, I'm kind of a little upset about the gold thing because I'd like to have been in it, but God, I was looking at this morning too,
Oh,
Paul. Man, just remind me.
oh yeah, it's a perfect break.
If you just remind me, I would have been in that trade.
I will tell you every day when I'm getting in. I'll tell you every day. Because I
Yeah.
haven't, again, all I'm just doing is waiting for the breaks.
Well, I know, but I wasn't looking at it. I was trying to figure out the markets. I had my mind was trying to think through a process of a logical. I was trying to think through a logical process of what this this market needs to look like. Does that make sense? I was trying to think through my game plan here. Is what I'm saying. I should have actually taken profit on that one
Yeah.
contract and let it come back up and yeah. All right, let's see. This is a little retest area. All right, if this makes a smaller tick chart, if this makes a little, thing here, I'm gonna put a sell order in. Sell order on the MNQ that makes a little M there. Looks like it's doing it.
Yeah. That would
Looks like it, doesn't it?
that would work. Yeah.
Yeah, these wicks stay up here on the ES and it breaks down again. That should be a decent little sell there. Let's see. Oop, 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 oop. You guys getting a little wicky with it. Somebody likes this level. Maybe I pass on this one then. Somebody likes this level a lot. Let's see here. It probably needs to be a little bit higher. Let's keep it or not, Paul. I don't know. I'm torn on this one. Oh,
Well,
guess not. Guess not. It'll tell me. It told me on its own. Tell me for me. Told me for me. All right, go give me another contract. And I'll get
no, I
actual
think I
pricing.
still think I don't think we're done. I think this is just a pullback up towards the pivot, and then a bounce on the. So the ES is if the ES follows with it, which it seems like it is. I think you're fine. It's got a break. Come on down. You're just in one contract. That's not a big loss.
What's that?
I said it's just one contract. That's not that big a deal.
What are you talking about?
I'm looking at your ES trade.
Huh? Oh no!
I'm looking
I
at the
decided on
ES trade.
shorts, man. That's what I'm gonna do. Shorts. I decided on them. I'll put another account in up here.
And I think you should because you're about to. I think you're going to get a short opportunity off the pivot here.
I'm pretty sure of that too.
See,
Um,
on the NQ. So,
I'm
but again, if we
going at
break this pivot, we might get a pop up.
73 on the ES. All right. And then This probably should be a couple ticks lower, like right
See
here.
what happens here.
Let's see. And then I can put a target down here. Put a target like, where's my target go? My target goes at 67. All right. Well, this is set up for a sell signal, I guess, here now, huh?
Well, now it's up on the, yeah, that's what I said. You're going to get a retrace of the pivot. Now, if you get back down through that pivot, I think it's a sell. Or if it breaks above this, we're going up.
All right, I'm gonna do another account short here.
Give me 2 seconds. I can take a bathroom break.
Are you taking a bath? There's a decent little short. There we go. Let's see if this continues to go down. If it does, then try a little sell stop down here. If this stays down. Yeah, let me try a little sell stop here if this breaks the pivot again. Right? It breaks the pivot again, it should keep going. We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. All right, maybe it's a bigger double top here. Let's see. On the ES here. Yeah, it might be it. Let's try to find another account to get in here, maybe. All right, got filled on that. Got to manage my stop. That's a bigger stop on that one too. So hopefully this one works this time. You broke the pivot. Go on. Dang it.
Got closed below the pivot. Close the pivot. Got it.
Well, it hit it a couple different times that time. And
Yeah, it did bounce off it.
It hit it a couple times here. All right, I gotta close this. I'm not gonna take that much crap out of it. Go back down and give me better. Nope, closing. Never mind.
Yeah.
Not taking that loss. Maybe I should buy that. Oh, look at that. Look at that crap.
There
Look
you
at
go.
that. Look at that. Look at
Down.
that. Look at that.
Down, man.
Look at that. Oh,
Make
hey,
sure
look.
close below the pivot.
Gotta put us another contract down here.
All right, it's gonna bounce. It's just tough, man. It's just tough stuff.
No, I mean, this is why I'm
Hmm.
running
I'm at the.
this
I'm out.
the DC all right, everybody should know this. I got the short bias, obviously, and I'm gonna keep adding all the way back. I'm gonna keep doing this over and over. Um, another another one there, and then I
There
might
we
get
go.
another one on another account. Oh, come on.
There you go.
So I'm running multiple accounts on the same thought process, or using our methodology of dynamic sizing methodology is what I'm saying. Our dynamic sizing methodology. I'd like to get another contract on there, buddy, but maybe you're just gonna run away from me. All right. If this breaks this, look at this NQ level here. Well, yeah, no, I mean, if it breaks down one more time, it should get down to the next level here, right around what did I say?
I'm sure 176, 140, whatever that number
I'm
was we
sure.
talked about.
I'm sure.
I still want that 140 you said earlier. Come on, break this and go. Do something.
All right, I'll target 140 then.
I think it's going
I'll
down
get it.
there. I
I'm
mean,
in.
that's
I'm
a
in.
good level.
I got in on another account,
That's a good level.
and
Well, or let it come up a little bit, and you probably could get in again.
I'm going to.
Because it's got a, like we're right here at that bottom. If
That's
it
what I'm
breaks through
saying.
this, it's gone. If
That's
it breaks through
exactly.
this, you got it.
That's literally what I
100%
just
got it.
said. That's literally what I just said, Paul.
Yep. Oh, I didn't hear you. Sorry.
Literally what I just said.
Yeah. If it gets through it though, see you later.
Um,
Flush my
I'm
gush.
trying to FOMO in on another account.
No, no, no. I'm not. I'll hold this one I got, and that's that.
Oh, why is that done? That's stupid. Escapee. No. Oh. It's the only thing I don't like about that one trading from the chart thing. Look, I'm a, I'm a, I'm a stop out of this one. Or should I try to add a contract here? I mean, this is a level I have. Maybe add a contract here. Let me add one here.
Below the pivot.
I mean, it's a level I have.
Yeah, that is
If
true.
if it fails, it's. I mean, I'm
I
only
mean, you're
got.
deep in the profit, so adding one's not really going to hurt you at this point. It's going to bring you down a little bit, but not.
Oh,
Come on, break this level and go, you dirty little.
let's take a.
Stop playing with my heart.
I gotta take a buy out of here. I just realized something. I'm a little too deep. Oh, come on, feel me. Jeez, I'm a little too deep in contracts there. I was in 3 contracts and I accidentally hit sell button. Got in 4. I don't know how that happened, but it's fine with me. Let's do one more target out here just to get lighten up on this a little bit. But again, if it fails here, geez.
Wait. Oh, we wait. So we wait. It's freaking holding this bottom. Look at this crap. To
Look
get
at
out of this.
that. Look at that.
You gotta be kidding me.
Gotta be kidding me. Gotta be kidding.
All right, I give up. I'm flat. I'm not gonna give any of this back. I'm out. I'm out. Now it's safe. Now you guys can get in because it's gonna go. Once I get out, it's gonna be bye bye.
A smaller tick chart setting up a sell signal.
Yeah.
I mean, again, bigger tick charts say sell rallies. So that's what I'm gonna try to do here. Sells a rally.
What do you think about trying that GC again, Brian? If it sets up.
Yeah.
Right here, it's right at the level again. It's right at the bottom of the orb. If it rejects it.
Yeah, if it rejects it, let's do it.
Now the reverse thinking of that was if it breaks above that, you could at least think maybe the top of that opening range. There we go. There's your break. There's your break.
Do you want to try?
What do you think? Do you think it's second time, or is it too many times for the bounce?
I'm not 100% comfortable with that one. You know.
Okay.
I'm not quite there.
I don't like the wicks on it. If it didn't have those bottom wicks pushing up,
I'd sell signal coming up on the smaller tick chart from the pivot on the NQ.
Oof. I don't know about that one, Brian.
Right there. 2 contracts. That one should work. That one should work. It should
there
almost
goes.
instantly give you targets.
There it goes. You should got your target, right?
No.
No. Pretty close. One tick you again, didn't
it?
There, again, look at that crap.
There we go. Lemon squeezy. A lemon squeezy on that one. A lemon squeezy. I'll come back and get my stop though.
I'll try this gold.
Oh, there it goes. Go down. Go. There we go. Get it, baby. Give it to me, baby. Yep.
I'm going to try this gold with a really small, tight stop above that. I'll give a little bit of, now, again, I'm working with their money, so.
I'm just now getting to that point where I'm working with their money, bro.
I don't have anything to risk.
I had to recover 2 losses, ES and NQ. Ooh, shoot. Got my target too. Money.
Here it comes. Here it comes. What time is it? 10:15. We got a Crable break coming up. Crable break.
A little bit more aggressive. Oh yeah, there you go.
On the NQ.
Yeah.
So stay in that sucker. Oh, you're out. You're out.
No, I put my target down here, nailed my target, and I was
break below 200 basically.
I'm gonna really lighten up on this ES if it comes back down and test this. I just don't want to be in 2 contracts.
Yeah, 200. So 250 would be the Crable break.
Like coming right now.
Like coming right now? Yeah. There it is.
Are you shorting that? Oop. That was a little too I don't need to be in that trade.
I was quick 10 points. I got 200 to 190.
Now I need to do this the right way. Put a sell stop in below this little
quick
flag
little
here. Yeah,
there we go.
I should go down and grab my target immediately.
Boom. Now come down to that 140, damn it. Let's go.
Finally.
Now, there you go. That's how you do it, people. And look at my gold working out too.
Again.
Holy cow.
You getting in the gold? Now there's a little structure I told you. On gold right there.
Oh, I was in a little bit closer up towards that level. Up 45, 50 bucks. Come on, let's go. Push.
Yeah, this ain't horrible. I'm not gonna be upset with this now. Now I could think about adding back down here. if this pushes back up to there, I can think about adding there. And now I can think about adding back here.
Still won't go to that
74.
150. Let's go.
And I'm still trying to decide where I want to get on another account. I guess since the ES broke the pivot, we could get a retest on the pivot here. Oh, got me flat ski. Should pull my stop down a little bit. Oh well. And then we got another level down here on 56. All right, where are we going to go to now? Let's look at that. We should get down, like I said, around here, right around 55-ish. We should get down to there now. I mean, ultimately, like we talked about earlier, 140, 71.47-ish on the ES, and then, again, 140 on the NQ should be where we get down to here. So we're getting pretty close to that now.
The retest of that 200.
Now I'm trying to decide if I want to add a contract or not. Take another little.
You took some off when it came down, right?
Yeah. I'm only in one right now.
Oh, okay. I can't see that. It's hard to see it.
No, I'm only in one. I'm running on about $70 plus right now after making up for that loss. Let's see. Total, I'm probably, if I close out now, I'm looking at maybe 20 something in the profit. So I ate up the loss and everything, and then some on this. So. But I did get up to like 4 contracts at one point on this trade to heavy it up some. So. Well, I mean, after it started breaking down, I missed this retest here. I was like, well, shit. The next retest, I'm gonna add more contracts. So I did it on this double top here, and it gave me the juice I needed to catch up. Couldn't imagine this being the bottom.
Back inside the range again. Look at this crap.
I mean, well, so we look at this though. I mean, we're going to be we finally came down to where it's ranged in the past. So we got to define area to play from 74 to 55. So if we get back above 74, let's call it 74, 75, get back above that, then now all of a sudden you're at switching your thinking around back to the longs on the ES, it is. And then on the NQ here, I just don't think that's going to, I think we're going to get this range and kind of same thing on the NQ. It's a little bit higher up here, but maybe you're looking at, 300-ish to 160 or 170, something like that. I mean, that's pretty well defined. I mean, we can play that. I'm still selling rallies until it breaks above 300, that's for sure. All right, that's it. I'm trying to decide if I should get this other contract on here so I can get another target. I think I'm going to go ahead and get it on. That way I can get a couple baby targets down here, hopefully. Right at the pivot, come test the pivot again.
Is that 3 contracts on the ES? Is that what that is? All right. Trying to follow you.
Yeah. I added one. And this fill price is completely wrong. I actually could take this target here and still hit profit.
That's the thing with Ninja. It doesn't give you the accurate cost average.
Because it doesn't make any sense because I added 2 contracts up here when I had one that was like the average was here, right? Right around.
Yeah.
My average was around 68. When I got in one here, got in
Something
one
about when
here.
you take that target
And
off is where it
is when
adjusts
it
the
loses.
average.
Yeah, and so I got in one.
Yeah.
I got in one here, two up here. That means my average fuel price is like where the current price is right now, somewhere around here. So I could take a target like here and still be in profit if that happens, or I get screwed over on this trade and close it out.
That's the other option.
Yeah. And this is not quite the market that we want to be doing dollar cost averaging in. Well, I mean, again, if you got a big risk, I'm taking a little bit more risk on this one. I'm being super conservative on this other account here, though. I mean, uber conservative here on this one. And again, fuel price is wrong on this because I did the same play, except for I didn't do as many contracts. I only got up to 2 most on this one. And I haven't. It's this one's green, but I haven't like gone big time into green. It's just bouncing along there. So I'm only running 2 accounts, one super conservative and one a little bit more aggressive.
I'm going to try long on the gold
Are you?
on a
Back up to
break
the top.
above here.
Okay.
Yeah, back to the top of that range. Let this, but it's got to close above 38, 46.38, which it hasn't done yet. So, but if it does do that, I'll go long. Back to, and my target will be the top of that range.
Well, what do you mean close above? Like what tick size needs to close above it?
Oh, I'm using 500. I don't know what you're looking at.
500s. Yeah, 500.
500.
Just wondering.
Yeah, see how you got all those wicks right there? You don't have a really solid close yet going up. So I would, to me, to be safe. I mean, you could take it now because it technically has closed back inside the range, but
And your
I
stop's
would
got to go
rather
below
it.
that structure.
Yeah, I would rather it like close above 38.
Okay, so should I put a buy stop in?
Yeah, I mean, well, but again, it could wick up there and just shoot back down. I would
Okay.
rather
Well,
just wait.
just
I
tell
mean,
me.
think about it. It's slow, so you don't have to worry about it. It's not like
Just
we're in a
tell me. I'll
rush.
just go in the market. I'm not working
Yeah.
it.
See, like it's not working now. It's like it's coming back
And I'm
down. So.
actually just gonna put this on one contract.
Yeah, I would just do one. I mean,
Yeah.
I've
And
racked
it's a
up a couple hundred
micro,
bucks just
people. It's a
doing one.
micro. It's a micro.
It is a
Everybody.
micro.
It is a
It is a micro.
MGC, not a GC.
Hey, 211 up on a micro. I'll take it. On gold alone this morning. And now it's going to fail. All right.
Where did I put? Oh, here we go.
I can't go to a well. I can't go to the well the third time though on that level. That doesn't.
Just all right. Well, shit. Maybe we start thinking short again, huh?
Yeah, it's
Oh, it's
coming.
got my average fill price right, close to right. That's weird. It's so odd. All right. That took $12 from me. So I was off by some ticks. I should have been a little bit lower on the target there.
On the target.
But I was pretty close. I mean, I was close enough to show that I know the average fill price. $12 isn't far off.
Ah. And it failed that level again on gold. All right, never mind. Done with gold for now.
Oh, you're just playing around over there, aren't you? Playing around. Let's see here. I don't need that many. Wait. What's my... Huh. I can't find my other MNQ chart. Where are you hiding at, buddy? Huh.
Looks like we got some more downside, so
Let's get it.
get it.
Oh wait, I'm already getting it. All right, so let's do another. Let's do another one back here at 74, maybe.
Yeah.
73.50. Then I'm gonna look for a freaking sell signal here on the
NQ.
or a buy. I don't care.
I'm looking for a sell, but it doesn't
swing
seem
back
to want
and forth
to.
here. I mean, this is where we're at, so I think we're in swing around territory. I mean, that's what we did all morning yesterday. So I'll trade this both ways right now. Right? I think we could do that easily, right? Just look at this.
I mean, I think we said that earlier, right? I mean, that right now.
We just look at the smaller tick chart and take the buy signals out of the smaller tick chart, take the sell signals. Let's just do that. I'll do it 2 contracts every single time. I got no worries about that whatsoever. And then I'll just keep rotating my accounts. You know, I'm on the ES thing for some reason. I don't know what I did with my freaking my other chart. Where's it at? Maybe it's behind this chart. Nope. I lost the chart, Paul. How do you call charts that I lost?
All you do is hover over your ninja thing and
Chart.
right click and hit max on it.
Chart.
What I do.
Chart. Found it. Okay.
Look at all those charts.
I don't need that many charts. I don't know. I have an ES. Every now and then I take a true ES trade, so I just keep that like ready to go. And on the account that I want to take the ES trade on, so I have that ready to go. Every now and then I do that. Obviously, I'm using these other charts to manage my DCA trades. And then just got to find a good spot for this MNQ that I lost. All right. So here, up here, let's look for a sell signal somewhere.
Works for me. Oh.
Oh, nope, they're going to buy it back up again, huh? Just toying with us, aren't they? They're just toying with us. That means I need to add one at 84, like I originally planned anyway. I'll get one on it around 84-ish. This looks like a sell signal setting up here, but maybe, well, never mind, it's not now.
Well, looks like it's going up. Back to the pivot. See what it does at the pivot here. This might be another area to get back in.
Gotta look at the account this is on. It's on that account. Need you on. That's fine. And account. All right, let's see what we can get done here. This would scare the crap out of most people. But again, I'm being a little aggressive with this account. I'm being way more conservative with the other account. I'm only one contract deep on another account. And
Here's your area on the NQ.
so this is a level here on the NQ. Maybe we could look at a short from here. Possible sell stop in here. Let's see if this fails now. Yeah, I could put a sell stop below that little wick there.
50
ES is setting up for a short as well.
right now. 52, 50, 2.25. Target filled instantly.
Ooh.
Jesus. Look at that.
Ooh, buddy. Ooh, buddy.
I love that.
Buddy, that's fancy. That's fancy stuff right there.
Bye.
I just keep doing this all day.
Come on down. Yeah, I'll do this. I'll play this game all day long. I have no problem.
I didn't get to move my target. Damn it. Let's put my freaking get my picture on there. I should have added right there on the ES. Dang it. I saw that setting up and I was like, man, maybe I should add treat this like a setup. Well, we got the MNQ. That's pretty good. Didn't move my target. Hopefully you're still in it, right, Paul?
I am still in it, yes.
Get me target here. Get me target. Come on, there we go. I can add again up here. Look at how this works. I'm increasing my fill price by just being fancy. And Fancy was her name.
Here's your one chance, Fancy. Don't let me down. Come on. Keep
Go,
going, baby. Give me that 140. Time. I'm telling you. I'm willing it. I'm manifesting that 140.
Maybe I should take a final target down here and restart this whole damn thing.
I'm trying to hold the contract into that 140, but it's hard to do. I've just been scalping up and down, but still.
No, on this ES move.
Oh, the ES? Yeah. I would tighten up and then get back in later.
Yeah, let me just go.
Why? Get your money. It's going to come back up. You know it is.
Yeah, we're getting higher highs and higher lows.
I would tighten up above 89 maybe and just.
I'm just gonna put in like here. Let's just try to get this out of here.
Or the other option would be just target above 89 and then
close it.
I mean, stop above 89 and then let it run.
This flat.
Okay, that's another way too. That's the third option.
Take my profits.
Third option, just go ahead and kill it. Wow, what a good day. Holy smokes.
I'm still battling. I'm still struggling a little bit, but not horrible.
Telling you what, man, you can definitely rack up some numbers with micros. It's not hard. Yeah, I mean, I could sit here and say, well, if I'd have done minis, I'd be up a crap ton, but who cares? I mean, this is.
You can't do that with minis. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to rotate accounts on this.
198, 116, 190, 211, 71, 33, 33, and 134. That's a pretty darn good morning.
I'd take it. I'd take that any day of the week, except for on Saturdays.
Except for on Saturdays, yeah.
Except for that Saturday. Screw Saturday.
Mm.
All right. Rotating accounts. Start over. We can start over on this. We're going to start over. Starting over. Wait, it's 10:36.
All right, here comes your crable break again. So see what happens if it keeps going. Boom.
Oh. All right. If we can make a new low here, then I'll start back over on the next rally. I'll start back over on getting what account did I do there? I guess. Let's put an order on here. See if I'm on the right account. Yep, it's the right account. It's probably where I wanted to add at. I'll go back here up here to my old trusty 74. Add one. Start that over again up there. Now again, keep in mind, anybody that's trying to follow me here, I'm doing this on multiple accounts. I've got this running in different. I have different accounts with different levels of what's the word I'm looking for? What's the word I'm looking for here, Paul?
Yes. Do.
I'm really thinking about doing it with another account now. Get 3 accounts into it. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start looking at another account as well. I'm gonna try to get a good setup and go in with a MES2 contract and then or ES or MES2 contract and then add into it after taking target. Oh wow! Just all of a sudden, we want to pop out of this area. That's what's going to happen.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not. Well, this might be the bottom. I mean, for real.
I mean, it hasn't been able to really.
Again, I did say when we got here, I said likelihood we'll chop around all morning here. That's what we did. I did say that, right?
You did.
I mean, in all reality, come back and test that pivot. Nope. Nope. We might have found a new level here on the ES2, right around that 80, 7180 area. Let's see what happens. See what happens here. I'm probably looking at a buy signal here on the MNQ, right? Shoot, missed it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's see, this needs to go here.
Good. Sucker right back up.
Yep.
Two-way trade.
Yeah. No, I'm considering whether I want to get another contract on here or just play it like this. Just yeah. Give me a target in. And this needs to be
Back up to the pivot. Do it all over again.
one more time. One more time. Yep. And this time though, if I see a decent little sell signal, I'm gonna add a contract as it goes in, just like a setup. But I'm gonna try to catch this NQ short up here. Should have called that long. I was looking at it the whole damn time and didn't catch it. Should just press buy market. All right, let's see. Let's see if we get a setup here. See if we get a trade set up here. Let's see. Let's see. All right, little formation here. We got a little tiny formation on the smaller tick chart starting to form here.
Swings though, man. It's $100 100-point
Needs to be a little bit
swings.
higher to me though, huh? Yeah,
I'm just looking at these swings. They're like 100+ point swings every time.
that's fun stuff, man.
Yeah, this is fun stuff.
That's an opportunity to make money on those swings, dude.
No doubt
That's gonna
about
end
it.
up being a sell signal here. I can't go in above this midpoint, can I? No, not really.
Mm,
Unless it makes a little better structure up here. I'm gonna be
yeah,
ready,
I think you
man.
got to wait at this point. Got to decide whether it wants to
All
go up.
right.
Well, you're getting a
I
setup.
think this is it, man. But
I don't know.
you're right. The logical place is below this midpoint, and I like it. I like it up here. If it comes up here and gives me what I want, then and the ES too sets up where it came from before.
Pivot will be a double top up there. I like that.
It'd be like a triple top, man.
For yeah, actually you're right. Triple, quadruple if you look keep further back. But yeah. But I mean, in the last say hour.
Got a pretty well defined bottom and top here, both the ES and the NQ. I mean, 84 is the highest you should get on the ES, and here maybe get back up here to this level on the NQ, but
That's right. That's why I want to wait and see what it does at the pivot because if it breaks that, then you probably got to run for that top up there.
but here again, I keep saying this, Paul. I keep saying this. They ran it down here this morning and stopped here for a reason. Somebody's got a ton of contracts to trade here.
Yeah, but what? Trade where?
Both
To which
directions.
direction?
Yeah,
All right.
that's why I'm saying both directions, man. Because this is not.
That's the only reason I'm not jumping on a short right this second.
No, it could go a little higher. I mean, you got all this stuff back here from where it just shorted out of. So I mean, you got anywhere from 300
You could short there
to
and short
here.
up there. You could do, you could three contract that
See
in
if we get a
between
setup
there and
here.
that level.
And I'm gonna add one at 84 on this one just because, well, that's the logical thing to do. Oh, come on. That is the logical thing to do. Now, if this thing really starts to run, which I'll have to close this out on a loss on that one.
I'm gonna try for that top up there. Boom, target off. I'm gonna try for that top up there because there's a solid break above the pivot.
Oh, there you go.
If it don't work, don't work. I didn't lose anything at this point. And then if it gets up there, I'll look for the short. I mean, it's the only way to trade this today.
Right.
It's like I don't think. I mean, I'm not saying you can't have your overall bias, but I just think the swings are too big to not take advantage of these
No,
ups and
no, yeah, the
downs.
swings are too big. I agree with you 100% on
You
that
know,
one.
100 to 200 point swings, you got to trade both directions.
Bingo. Correcto mundo. That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm trying to look for a trade up here on this one. Now we might get a decent short below the pivot.
If we get back through the pivot, I'll reverse and go short. But right now, I'm holding long to see if it'll go up.
Yeah, you got.
It may not. It's no
Yeah,
big deal. I
it
won't lose
might pop
anything.
up. Yeah, you got a little chance
There it
that this
goes.
thing's gonna pop
There
up
it
a little
goes.
bit. There we
Yeah,
go.
I think that level you got up there is strong. I
Short
got the same.
price.
When you and I have the exact same numbers, I get real excited. It's very rare. I look at your levels and mine are spot on with yours today. Like all of
Bingo
them.
to
I'm
the
like,
level
woof.
there.
That's got to mean something. Universe is aligning.
Yeah. Shoot, I keep hiding that chart. Let's get this over so I can grab the middle charts on the little charts because I want to get in this trade. I really do.
I mean, I think it's a short,
There's
by
going to
all
be
means.
one. I still have to
Yeah.
be below the
All right.
pivot now, don't
I'm
we?
out. I'm flat. Took a little
Still have
scalp
to be
there.
below the pivot here. Which account did I want to do? I can do it
A
on
little
this
too
account.
tight on my stop, I think, on that one.
All right, I'm gonna do this. If it goes below the pivot, I mean it might break up still, but if it breaks below the pivot, then I'm gonna sell it there because that should be a decent level. Yeah, one on 84 there. This is a sell signal on the MES, ES, and NQ coming up here. How do I want to get into this? I know I want to be in it, but I'm trying to figure out how I want to get in it. Okay, well, maybe we'll do it that way. Maybe I'll, do I want to do multiple accounts in this? Do I want to try to do the MES? I want to try to do the MES on this.
Let me try this again.
What, long?
I may if it holds this pivot and comes back up again. Now here we go. Here's a test. Now I will be short with you, but I like unlike you, I will wait for a close below the pivot. There you go. There's your pivot. And I'll see what happens here.
Oh. Got me in the trade. Close below the
Yeah,
pivot.
that's why I said close below the pivot. Oh, I tried it long again off that. All right, there's my target. Target off.
On my end. I need to be a tick looser on my.
Yeah, and again, and you know that I've seen that so many times on the NQ. Like that's why I said I'll be in there with you, but I'm going to wait for it to close below the pivot because now this could. I hate to say it because you're in this, but it could go all the way back up to that level now.
I mean, it could, yeah, it could go up to that level. Well, I mean, again, that's the setup that I like. It's just a setup I like, and I mean, I don't.
Oh, I'm the same way. I
don't
just like I
tend to
said, the
wanna
only
wait for the
difference.
pivot in that situation, just because, or wait for it to close below the pivot, because then I feel like I'm way behind. I mean, I've seen it happen too many
Well,
times where
okay.
it finally broke the pivot, and the close is 40 points below the pivot.
Okay, but okay, you're 100% correct about that. But the way I'm looking at it is, measure all your moves. They're 150 to 200 point moves. So
Yeah, you could be.
I would give up
you could
20
be
or
there.
30 points for a 100, move back down.
Well, I mean, I can always close this out for a small loss right now and just.
Yeah, well, I mean, at that
another
point,
sell stop
well,
in
I
there. I
mean, I
could
wouldn't
buy
have
it,
been so close
actually.
to close it, but
No, I mean, why? Why take the full
well,
loss?
yeah, I got you anyways. Regardless, I
mean,
think it would have got you.
I could literally do one of these things and buy out of this right here. If it wants to break that, it's gonna go.
I'm long holding for that up there. See what happens. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take the set risk on this. There you go.
There you go.
Target off.
Yeah, come on. Here comes your level. Boom.
Take my level. Go get my level now. Move my stop up. All right, now this is
Boom.
getting scary on this one short.
Dude,
here.
I'm gonna have to be done for the day. I just can't keep doing this to them. Feel bad to this point. Poor market makers are just losing all this money off me. I don't know what they're gonna do. They're not gonna be able to have their $700 lunches.
Oh, they're getting the commissions, bro. They're getting those commissions. All right, I guess I've got to put another
What's my pivot
sell.
at? My pivot's at
95. Never
20
sold at 95.
78. What do you wear, Tom, on NQ? Oh, you asked me that a while back ago. Sorry, Tom, I didn't see it. I don't even, are you still in the room, Tom?
I've been too busy focusing on the market to even look at.
No, I wasn't even looking at the chat. My eyes are like glued on this.
Sorry, guys. I've been
Yeah, I
too.
apologize, Tom.
Been too. Are you guys still here? How long ago did he ask?
About 10 or 15 minutes ago.
Oh, sorry, guys.
Yeah, that's my bad. Sorry. I think he's gone.
Did he leave? He's like, screw you guys. I'm out.
Screw them, man. I'm out of here. I don't like those guys anyways. They
There's a
smell.
setup here on the short side coming. Oh, what? It went into my target and didn't take it?
Yeah, but it didn't
How
take
is that
it.
possible?
That's weird.
How is
I
that
say move
absolutely-
that target up to the level. You're gonna get that stupid level. Don't be chicken. Oh, come on. Oh, look at you. One ticking it.
Huh?
I'm holding for it, damn it. I'm holding for it.
You got it.
There it goes. I got it.
I'm gonna have to
I
close
got
this
it.
out with catastrophe loss on this one.
Oh, I didn't even see you were short on the yes.
No,
Wow.
it was the same trade I've been in for a while.
Oh, from earlier. Yeah.
For a long time. Let me take a look at this and see if I want to close this out. I mean, I'm only 2 contracts into it, so it's not like it's that big of a deal. I mean, it is kind of a deal because I don't want to be down this much, but what do I do? Do I close this out? It's only 2 contracts deep, and I just keep looking at.
I mean,
I just keep
you're at a
looking
level
this
here on the
stuff.
yes where it could come back.
95-ish up to 97 is kind of a zone.
Yeah, I got 93 to 02, so
Oh well, I'll make money on the long side and keep grinding this one out on the short side. I'll start just trading it in Q to the long side, MNQ to the long side, and grind this out on the short. That's all I can do. Which is fine. I'm not that worried about that. There we go. And then I can punch that up to 2. Whoa.
back to VWAP.
This 2 here. All right. I mean, we could ultimately all go all the way up to, again, up here, break up here. I mean, we got to think long. I mean, this is silly, but we got to. So I'm gonna start taking the longs on other accounts, other assets. Can't do it on the MES, but I'll make up for some of it and just take it. I mean, here's a way. Here's another way. I mean, this is totally hedging, but it's not illegal to Bullinox. You just go to the NQ and MNQ and take some longs on the same account. Right? That seems logical, doesn't it?
Yeah, pretty much.
And I mean, it's only 2 accounts, and I'm not that bad. It's like 120 bucks. So I'm not like dying here. And if we get a decent little setup here, somewhere up here, I'm okay with it. Just had to get it down there and get some contracts, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah. Got to reverse our thinking for sure at this point.
Start getting some longs in here. It's not gonna stay up all day. I mean, this is just. Look at the Globex here. Look at what the Globex did. Push down, push up, push down. Okay. Well, we should have probably looked at Globex on that one.
Yeah.
Push up, push down on Globex. Obviously, push up, push down. Yeah. So. Um, maybe we'll get a big swing up here.
And this
And then on the
is
and
an
then in
area
Q
on the ES where
and in Q, this could be the spot where
it
it
could
stops.
possibly, yeah, this could be the place. This could have been just a massive retrace here back up to
Yeah.
load back up to go back down.
Well, it spent way more time down here, so this is where all the contracts were traded. I mean, I don't know if that's people getting out of their longs or what. You would think maybe lightening up a little bit on longs.
A big candle in that ES on the hourly. Oof. Okay. Retrace. They're going to retrace this whole freaking move.
Again, I just look back here and say, hey, don't forget about last week.
Yeah.
Don't forget about last week. Just because we had those two pushes up doesn't mean that there's still not a lot of headwind up here. Somebody, well, I mean, this way I look at these things. Somebody traded a ton of contracts back here. They didn't just stop liking this area to trade. There was just too much momentum this morning to trade it.
Yeah.
But they'll probably push it back up to it and trade it now. This is where this is the area I looked at this since it stayed there. What was that? This is when I was in extreme pain at the end of last week. But we traded this morning, that Friday. That's Friday, right? We traded that Friday. We crushed it Friday morning, right? We
Yeah,
did
Friday
well.
was good.
Friday we did
Friday was real
well.
well. And
Because all
after
I
you
did was
left, it got real interesting.
all I did was buy on Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing on, we did on Thursday. Although I left Thursday early because of my pain anyway, and that would have been a great day. We were already thinking long on Thursday. So anyway, the point I'm trying to make here is if this is a short here, then we're in good shape. We can just add a contract and try to get down to a reasonable, where's that? 85.
Body.
Wow.
I wish I wouldn't have took my stupid target. I should have held that thing. Holy cow.
All right. Yeah, no, I got to buy this freaking.
Ooh, you buying it now?
What?
Where are you buying it? The NQ?
No. I'm waiting for this to break.
Don't
ES
do
breaks
that.
this level up here. We've got to buy it. Yeah.
Oh, it's going to break that level. It's going up to 70, 202 area, 205 area.
This is one of those ones when it broke the structure down here. It should just reverse that. That's got to be in my rules. That needs to be in my rules to reverse when it breaks out of the range.
Wow.
Because had I reversed here when it broke this 84, which is what I had in my mind anyway, then would be plenty green right now. That's silly on my part. Gotta holler at me about reversing shit, man. Hey, I got 2 accounts really green on it. I got 1 account now that's red, but it's recoverable. Like I said, a couple $100. again, now this range here. I was like thinking about selling at 84 before. Now you got to think about buying at 84.
Yeah.
Then we get a little buy signal here coming down to the bottom of this range here. Where's that level at?
Back to VWAP maybe and let it bounce.
Looking for. You're looking for 344 ish. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's below VWAP, but yeah.
VWAP, stuff like that.
Yeah, somewhere around VWAP.
So I'll take the buy signal that comes from there. Now we'll end up chopping around the rest of the day here, which is fine.
Oil's going up too. It's pushing up. Crude, so.
Oh, markets were in alignment on that? Wow.
In alignment, yeah, on that move. Very rare.
Wow. Must be some kind of peace talks, huh?
Oh, you know what? I don't have my news open.
Let me do that. I was actually going to look at that too.
Let me open up my financial juice. Get some juicy news. Well, I don't see anything. China blockade warning for other AI firms with global ambitions.
All right. Do we look at this as a long coming up here in a second?
A little bit lower. Just a tad bit lower. Just a bit outside.
Come on down, and I'll take a trade, and then maybe take a break so I can ice my back.
Yeah, as I say, it's after 11. Probably. Got to get a pullback here. Got to pull back more. Come on. Come on down. At least VWAP or that level you said, 40, whatever it was you said earlier.
Yeah, I got it. I'm just.
Don't know that we could jump on this long right here.
Got it. That's the one thing that I missed. That's the one thing, but that doesn't happen as often. I mean, today was a rarity, right?
Yeah.
Read what I said.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I missed. But I mean, that doesn't happen that often these days. We don't get this that often.
There's your long.
Yeah, shit. What? Okay. Got my target off. I got in late. I just screw it. I'm gonna jump in on this.
Just hit the button.
Yep. Let's hit the buy button because we need to go back up to. We need to go back up to the top of this. We need to be hitting this area up here around 420 something. 420, baby. That's my target. Oh, and I thought this chart I got in on was the same account that I was in on that I have up here. Oh, I'm not looking at this. No, it's still not the same account. Okay, whatever. Good call. Thank you for yelling at me on that one. My mind's a little. All right, so I took a different account, reversed it.
Tom. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Tom, it's at 278. And I apologize about that, man. I didn't see your message. Brian and I were so focused on the charts.
Yeah, no, it was hot and heavy this morning, Tom. So
Yeah,
I didn't
we were
even look at
very
the chat.
focused, very focused on the charts this morning.
Extremely focused on that stuff.
Been a good morning, really good morning.
Yeah.
I'm approaching the $1,000 mark on micros across all my accounts, not in one. I was afraid to go that short again on GC on the third time off that level, but it would have worked.
What?
I didn't want to go too many times. I was going to tell you let's take GC one more time off that level, but I figured third time might not be smart, but it worked.
Third
would have been
time's
nice.
charm.
Yeah, it would have worked. I figured I got 2 of the 3, so that's not bad.
Oh yeah, no. If it breaks up this time, that's a long on GC.
Yeah, well, I'm still what I said earlier, right above that, right
One
there.
contract.
What is that?
All right.
638.
Well, now I'm ready to do it, so I'll put one in here. I'll put a buy
I still
stop
think
in.
a hold above a solid close above that now, not a
Okay.
wick.
All right.
I
Well,
think
it's hung around there long enough. So if it breaks this time, it's gonna go back up to the top of the prior range. So
I
here's what
think
we're talking
so.
about. Here's what we're talking about, guys. All right. We had an orb break here for a short. I think Paul got it up here when it came back into the structure.
Yeah.
And then he did another short here, I think.
Yep, right there, exactly right there. And I was going to tell you to do it again right there, but I didn't do it.
And
I
then,
chickened out.
Now that we've built a nice little structure from back here, if it breaks this, it should go back up to somewhere around this area.
I mean, it could get all the way up to, yeah.
It could go all the way up to
650?
here, right?
Yeah, 650-ish area, 655.
I like that. I like that idea as a trade. That's a really good idea.
All right,
so
I'll do it then.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put my order in and let her roll. Whatever happens, happens. Now I gotta keep in mind too. I have a very tight target on my first contract, so I gotta pull that out of the way when it gets filled. Trying to think about my other trades. I'm trying to think through here. I mean, if this goes all-time highs, I'm happy with it. This NQ keeps creeping up here, so I'm gonna stay in this.
Stupid easy trading.
Let her ride, baby. Let her ride. Go. Get my target. Go and get my target. You know you can do it. I'm gonna squeeze the stop of him in this last little pullback here.
Oh, look at that little
Just in
pullback.
case.
Come down.
Yeah, that's the one little thing I could keep my eye on there, Paul. Which we should talk about later.
Oh, I agree about that.
We gotta talk about a trade plan for that.
We probably need to take some time and rewrite it again.
Well, I mean, a trade plan specifically for that. We don't have a specific trade plan for dynamic sizing or dynamic sizing methodology. We don't have a trade plan for that, so let's build it. if you got time today, I'd like to take time to build it today
Yeah,
and let's talk
we
through
can
it.
play around with it later this afternoon. I got time.
Yeah, we'll hop into admin or we can do it in here. I don't care. I mean, we won't. I just won't do it with streaming. People can stay. You guys want me to do a thing on if you're here? I'll do it this afternoon with Paul. I'll do it with you guys. Thing on the. So what we're talking about doing is building a trade plan for when, where, how to start getting into the scaling trades, and when to reverse it. Like here, like this 84 should have been when this structure got broken here. That should have been reversed.
We should have been, yeah,
I waited till all the way up here to reverse it. So I should have reversed way down here. When it broke my level, again, we got a nice little range when it breaks it. So we're going to talk through all this. You guys want to hear that? Anybody want to be here for that? If not, we're going to do an admin.
If not, we'll just do it ourselves.
Yeah,
It's like no problem.
I mean, all right. Dan wants to be in, so all I ever need is one person. So Dan, we'll do it. We'll do it probably if you can be around. What time do you want to do it? Like at 2?
Maybe after lunch, maybe 1:30 ish.
Yeah, let's do. Yeah, I gotta ice my back. It's starting to
Yeah,
get tight.
yeah. And I'm gonna have a couple things too. I got to do in between here.
Oh, I got so many emails. I haven't read.
Where's
emails
the
in
all-time
days.
highs? Where's the all-time high on ES?
17.
17.
Yeah, just 17. $17. It's here. It's 72.23. So hell yeah, let's go there. That'd be fine with me.
72.23. Okay.
And,
Oh yeah. Okay.
NQ.
I had
NQ
marked
hit
it,
its
but I don't
all-time
know
high
where it's at.
today already, but it might push back up. Oh, there's a long shit. Missed that long. Damn it.
On ES.
NQ. There's a nice one back here again around the.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Pulled right back to the 77
Shit.
too. It's a great level. Damn, man, you're right. I definitely missed that one.
That was a good one. That's a good trade right there. I'm gonna keep this up for now. I'll keep this chart up here just because if I'm looking at these bigger charts, I need to be able to see that smaller chart. Take the long way home. I mean, I'm trying to figure out like how to get more contracts into this, and I just missed a damn good trade that's going to continue up. Booger bear. Neeny manny poo poo pants. Oh, you were totally right this morning though. Dump and pump. I just didn't think they were gonna dump it that much. They had to get a running start.
Yeah, they
Like,
dumped
hold
the
on
shit
a
out of
minute.
it.
Hold my beer and watch this shit. Let's get a running start for all
They
time
dumped
highs.
the crap out of it this morning.
Let's get a running start for these all time highs. Screw everybody. That's basically what happened.
I think now it's just reversed. I think it's the same thing. Now it's just add into maybe start scaling into the longs,
I
right?
am. You better
I don't
believe
think
I
this has
am.
come. I think we're done with the bottom now.
No,
It's
I'm
going to
gonna
creep
get
up the rest of the day.
aggressively long. Are you kidding?
Yeah, it's going to
As a
creep
matter of
up.
fact, I'm gonna do that on another account right now. I'm gonna get aggressively long on this shit. Aggressive.
I don't think aggressive is in my trade plan anywhere, but I don't
Well,
even
I
know
say
that word.
aggressive. I'm getting like micros. I mean, like micros.
I'm too scared a trader for aggressive. I'm conservative.
No, I'm talking. Well, for me, it's like, to me, aggressive is not micros. So, and I'm trading
Right,
micros.
no.
So, when I say aggressive, I mean like I might do 2 whole micros at a time.
Ooh, look out. 2 micros.
That's what I mean by aggressive, bro. 2 micros.
Well, 2 micros is my standard entry. I don't even do one anymore. It's the 2 that
I
are,
just
and then
like
I start layering
establishing
in one at a
For
time.
something about me likes establishing the position, and if I'm wrong, it's fine on 1 micro. If I'm, I don't like taking a stop.
1 micro on the ES can't really hurt you. I mean, you'd have to let that thing go so far against you.
Yeah, I mean, again,
It's not going to happen.
That's what I messed you about. But you have to like, and then you look at it and you're like, if it goes that far against you, like, take this example this morning, where I should have reversed at this above the 85 level I had. You could still add in aggressively to the shorts on this and make money if you miss that reversal. But the smart thing to do trading with a dynamic sizing methodology is reverse. If you've reached your max size and you've reached close to your max stop, you reverse the trade when it breaks the range. Okay, it breaks your level. It breaks your level. If it breaks your level, like you pick a level and say, hey, if it goes above this, it's going back up. Duh. Which we do all the time, right? Like we pick these levels and
Right.
say, we know if it breaks that level. And I knew if it broke that level, it was going back up today. That's why I didn't put any contracts above 84 earlier. Because this is, look at this. That's this
I mean,
was 84. So,
so
you look at this level. This is where everything was traded at before. If it breaks this level, it's got to go up to this level where everything was traded at before. And that's just got to be a hard, fast rule if you're doing dollar cost averaging into a trade. If it bounces out of your stuff, reverse it. Missy Elliott the trade. There you
flip
go.
it and reverse it.
Flip it and reverse it.
Smack it, flip it, and reverse it.
That's what we're gonna do. This is gonna be a Missy Elliott plan. It's gonna be the Missy Elliott part of the plan. But your levels have to be right. Your premise has to be right. You have to say if it breaks this level, it's going to go back up, which it did, which it usually does. I mean, here, let's go. This is easy to show. Stayed at these levels, broke. It's got to go back up the next level. Let me show you this. Stayed at these levels. Here, broke. Has to go back up to the next level.
I mean,
Here's a good example. Stayed at these levels, broke. Got to go to the next level. Stayed at this level, broke. Got to go to the next level. I mean, it's just the way. Stayed in this level, broke. Got to go to the next level. Stayed in these levels, broke. Got to go to the next levels. I mean, that's just it. Levels are key to everything.
the ES, for example, the last 7 days, the ATR for the last week is averaging 70 points. So you're roughly got a movement of 70 points daily. So what is that? Like a $300 risk on one contract? I mean, that's
For
massive
you're talking
catastrophic at that
MQ,
point.
M and Q, right?
No, I'm talking ES.
Well, say what? 70 points. That
70
was just a
points is
day.
your.
I mean, you look back
That's what I'm
at.
saying. That's your average. That's your average daily movement on the ES in the last
Yeah. So
seven
it's
days.
not. Yeah, okay,
In
yeah,
the
I see
last
what you're
7
saying.
days. So you're averaging about 70 points a day in swing.
Right, right.
Yeah.
So,
So
so
what are you
you,
risking on one contract? $300?
that's a
Assuming.
full breakout of the daily swing.
That's what I'm
That's a
saying. Assuming you catch, you goes against you from the very top to the bottom,
right, right, right. And
which is
again, I
not
mean,
going to happen.
that's it. And the point I'm trying to make with that is you have to know that. And like again, can you still make if you were DCing dollar cost averaging or using our dynamic sizing methodology to get into the shorts down here? Well, you also have to have the rule that says if well, two things. One, you can still make money. You just got to get a real aggressive shorting this top up here, right?
Right.
And you're gonna have to get really heavy on contracts, which I don't want to do. That's putting too much risk into the game. The smarter thing to do is say, hey, maybe I get in 2-3 contracts max, and maybe a 20-point range, right? Some 20-30 point range. That's fair. If it breaks out of that level at the top of that 30-point range, you reverse those three if you're 3 contracts deep. So you don't go more than 3 deep. I mean, how many days have I done like 2 contracts, no more than 2 contracts deep, and racked up $300 per an account on the micros? I mean, how many days in a row have I done that? Like
Easily.
I had this past Friday? No, sorry, not this past Friday. Friday before was a rough Friday for me. Other than that, I've had pretty much 3 full weeks of just killing it, doing dollar cost averaging, and layering into trades. So,
How many points has it moved today since this morning?
huh?
How many points has it moved the ES since this morning, since 9:30? Like what? What's our
Well,
range?
it, from
9:30.
from 57 to
So, okay, so you pretty much maxed out your range. So it would probably be pretty safe
70,
that you're going to
60
come
points.
down.
60
Yeah.
points.
So, I mean, even if you, I mean, that's stupid, easy calculation, but you know, the odds of that breaking much more. I mean, you're
After
pretty
the 70
safe
point move down, yeah.
after. You're right. That's what I'm saying. At that point in time, you can start thinking, okay, longs. I mean, could it happen? Yeah, could. But if it's been averaging that for the last 7 days, chances are it's going to reverse up another 70 points.
Yeah. That's
And if you have that in
that's it.
mind, it makes trading micros pretty stupid easy because you're not concerned.
No, no. And you just
I
don't
mean,
go too
that's
heavy. Just don't go too
right.
heavy.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Don't get buried in 30 micros or anything
Yeah,
dumb, but
not even 5 micros.
I wouldn't even,
Get up to like
guys, I
three or
wouldn't even
four
go
max.
3 or 4 max. Three
Yeah.
probably safer.
Now, if you're in a really tight range, then that's probably, you could probably get heavier in that. But why not? If you're in a tight range, take one off, one on, one off, one on, one off, one on. Just do that over and over and over in a tight range. There's no reason to get more than 3 deep. Is the point we're trying to make. Because you're going to make you're at that point just sit on the sidelines, wait for a setup, and go in with a 6 micros or a mini. You're just you got to it's what we're talking about. We're talking about risk management is what we're freaking talking about. To be honest with you, risk management. You go outside of your risk parameters, reverse the trade, close it out, do something different than holding on to it and breaking it. Don't go too heavy on contracts, blah, blah, blah. I mean, it's just. This is.
I'm gonna
This
take
is
a break. It's
Yeah,
11:30.
let's do
It's
that.
starting to chop up anyways. Let's take a break.
It's going to go up. We're going to come back to all time highs.
That's fine, but I'm gonna take a break. Oh, what are you
Okay,
gonna
let's
say
take a break.
about a few minutes? About 30 minutes?
I need to ice my back. So,
Okay. All right, just reach out
give me
whenever
about
you're
20,
ready.
20, 25 minutes. That'll be fine.
Okay. All
All
right.
right.
See everybody in a little while.
See you guys in a
Later.
bit.